Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Still plugging in your iPhone every time you drive? In 2025, it's time to cut the cord. For good. Wireless Apple CarPlay makes every drive smoother, smarter, and cable-free. Today, we're counting down the top 5 wireless CarPlay adapters of 2025. From blazing fast boot times to rock-solid stability, these picks deliver. Whether you want pure convenience or streaming on the go, we've got you covered. All links are in the description, so you can grab yours today. Let's dive in and upgrade your ride in just minutes. Number 1. Carlinkit 3.0 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Experience truly hands-free driving with the Carlinkit 3.0 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Just plug it into your CarPlay USB port, and it transforms wired convenience into seamless wireless freedom. It connects in seconds, automatically pairing your iPhone when you start up and supporting full Apple Maps, Spotify, calls, Siri, and more, just like wired CarPlay users rave about over-the-air firmware updates and stable dual-band Wi-Fi that create smooth, reliable performance. Number 2. Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2023 Pro Slim Edition. Say goodbye to messy cables with the AutoSky Pro Slim Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Compact, sleek, and ready to go. This ultra-light dongle turns your wired CarPlay into a seamless wireless connection in seconds. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a fast, stable link every time you start your car. It supports 600-plus car models and includes both USB-A and USB-C cables for easy setup. Auto connects automatically and works with full Siri, maps, calls, and music control. Sleek carbon fiber design blends right into your dashboard without clutter. Enjoy the drive, wirelessly and effortlessly, with AutoSky Pro Slim. Number 3. AuTOCAST U2 AIR Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Experience true wireless convenience with the AuTOCAST U2 Air Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Just plug it in and leave your phone in your pocket. Users rave it, has no delays or sync issues whatsoever, and boots up in just 15 to 20 seconds. CarPlay launches fast and works flawlessly. No noticeable lag on navigation, calls, or music.
Number 4. Carlinkit Mini-C Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Tired of fumbling with cables every time you get in the car? The Carlinkit Mini SE Wireless CarPlay Adapter is your perfect plug-and-play upgrade, turning your factory-wired Apple CarPlay into a smooth wireless experience in seconds. Ultra-compact and dual-port compatible. USB-A and USB-C. It's designed for fast connections, stable performance, and seamless auto reconnect. Every time you start your car. No more cords, no more waiting, just instant access to maps, music, messages, and more. With thousands of satisfied drivers and a price that won't break the bank. This little device delivers big on convenience. Number 5. ByteWave CarPlay Wireless Adapter. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello seamless driving with the ByteWave CarPlay Wireless Adapter. It's designed for Apple users who crave convenience. This sleek plug-and-play device transforms your wired CarPlay into a fully wireless experience. No apps, no hassles, just instant connectivity. With fast boot-up, stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and automatic reconnection every time you start your engine, ByteWave makes sure your favorite apps, maps, and music are always front and center. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, this adapter delivers smooth, lag-free performance. Just plug it in once and forget it's even there. Upgrade your car and your routine today with ByteWave, because going wireless should feel effortless.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.